The Square of Opposition, Sub-Alternation by Micaela Mujar. There are four types of relations in the square of opposition, namely the contrary, sub-contrary, subalternation, and contradiction. In this presentation, we will tackle about the subalternation, which means that the relation between universal and particular propositions having the same quality. There are two pairs of subalternation: the universal affirmative A and the particular affirmative I, and the universal negative E, particular negative O. There are four rules in the subalternation. The first rule is, if the universal is true, then the particular is true. If the universal is false, then the particular is doubtful. If the particular is true, then the universal is doubtful. And lastly, if the particular is false, then the universal is false. Here are some examples to explain the rules of subalternation. The first example is all jasmine flowers are white. This is the universal affirmative, and some jasmine flowers are white. Example number 2, some students are brilliant. All students are brilliant. Example number 3, no teachers are lazy. Some teachers are not lazy. Example number 4, some fruits are not delicious. No fruits are delicious. In example number 1, which says all jasmine flowers are white, it is true. Then, the universal particular some jasmine flowers are white is also true. As you can see, the truth of the universal affects the truth of particular. Example number 2. No teachers are lazy. This is false. In the particular, some teachers are not lazy. This particular is doubtful. This particular is doubtful, as we can see in the rules. That rule number 2, that if the universal is false, then the particular is doubtful. For the example number 3, that states some fruits are not delicious, this is true, and no fruits are delicious is also doubtful, as you can see in the rule number 3, that if the particular is true, then the universal is doubtful. Example number 4, some fruits are not delicious, this is false, and no fruits are delicious, this is also false. The falsity of the particular affects the falsity of the universal. So this is all about the subalternation. Thank you.